Hey, this is Andy Mandel with the Mandel team, and I'm here with Jeff Whalen today. He's the Senior Loan Officer with Supreme Lending. He's our preferred lender here at our team, and we're going to go over some basic questions, frequently asked questions that we get about mortgages all the time. So I thought it'd be good to create a video for you guys so you could hear it straight from the expert. So Jeff, I get a lot of people who think, I need a minimum down payment of at least 20% for a mortgage. What's the real minimum down payment that you need in order to qualify and buy a home?
That's a great question. The minimum you need is 3%. You can get into a home with 3% down on a conventional loan. You can also get in with 3.5% down on an FHA loan.
Okay, so that's a lot lower than most people think with the 20%.
Absolutely, yes.
What's the difference between FHA versus conventional?
The biggest difference between FHA and conventional, just to keep it simple, is both loans, when you put down a minimal down payment, have PMI. On FHA, the PMI stays there for the life of the loan. Okay, that's the biggest difference and maybe the biggest drawback to FHA. Whereas with conventional, your PMI will drop off once you've gotten to the point where you have 20% equity in your home.
Awesome. And PMI, what is that?
PMI is an acronym for Private Mortgage Insurance. They insure the risk on loans above the 80% loan-to-value mark.
So if you're putting down less than 20%, you get PMI.
Yes.
What does that normally cost per month for a buyer?
PMI is largely credit score driven. The costs can be quite different depending on your credit score. A good way to look at typically if you're borrowing $250,000, your PMI could be from $200 to $300 a month, depending on your credit score.
Okay. And what is the minimum credit score that's required to buy a home? I hear a lot of people think I need, a 750, an 800 credit score in order to get approved for a mortgage. Is that true?
No. Actually, you only need a 600 score. And I can tell you in many cases, people come to me and they might have a 590 or a 600 score. And with just a little bit of work, a couple of things that we take care of with no cost to the borrower, in a matter of a few weeks, we can get that credit score up to 620, 630, 640.
So you have someone who could actually help increase the credit score for someone to help them get a mortgage?
Well, if they have real bad credit, I have a great credit person. In most cases, I'm able to help them myself.
Awesome. And
Yes.
there's no cost to that?
No cost.
Awesome. Well, I hope this was very informative for you. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give myself, anyone from my team, or Jeff Whalen here a call. We'd be happy to help you out in any way that we can to help you get into that home of your dreams.